When your phone ringtone is too nice for its own good. "20 missed calls. Where was I at?"